Welcome to our vlog for Field Study 1, Activity 1, Teachers' Knowledge and Content Pedagogy.
We are here to share our meaningful experience as a pre-service teachers from Pangasinan State University Bayambang Campus.
Taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. For this activity, we observed the class of Mama Rites Ganitano from Bautista National High School, an inspiring and dedicated teacher who truly shows what effective teaching looks like in action. In this vlog, we walk you through what we observed in her classroom, how she applied the principle of learning, and the strategies she used to make the lesson engaging and effective. So come with us as we take a closer look at how the teaching and learning happen inside the classroom.
Let's start with what we observed during Ma'am Marites Ganitano's class.
During our observation, we saw how Mama Rites demonstrated mastery of her subject matter and connected it meaningfully to her students' understanding.
Her teaching was clear, organized, and supported by technology and visual aids. She used humor and positive reinforcement to keep students engaged and even gave points to encourage participation.
The classroom atmosphere was lively and positive. Students were confident, active, and not afraid to express their answers.
Now that you have seen how the class went, let's discuss the learning principles and teaching strategies we observed.
Based on our observation, several principles of learning were clearly demonstrated by Ma'am Marites.
First, learning is an active process. Students participated through recitation and sharing their ideas.
Second, learning is cooperative and collaborative. They discuss their answers and help one another understand the lesson.
And third, learning is stronger in a positive emotional climate. Ma'am Marites' humor and encouragement motivated students to learn confidently.
She also used a variety of teaching strategies such as visual presentations, questioning techniques, and positive reinforcement to make the learning more meaningful.
After observing these principles and strategies, we took time to reflect and analyze what we'll learn as future educators.
After carefully observing Ma'am Marites' class, here our reflection and realization about how the principle of learning and pedagogy were applied.
Based on what we observed, the learning principles used by Ma'am Marites were very appropriate to her students' level and learning conditions. Her class showed a balance between discipline and enjoyment. The way she motivated students to participate through humor and rewards helped build a positive emotional climate that truly supported learning. It reminded us that when students feel respected and valued, they become more confident to express themselves.
I also noticed how her strategies align with the students' needs. She used visual aids and clear explanation to make the lessons easier to understand. Her questions were not too difficult, but they encouraged students to think critically.
Her communication skills were also impressive. She spoke clearly and confidently, and her voice reached all corners of the room. She also maintained eye contact and showed genuine enthusiasm while teaching. These communication skills made students feel engaged and comfortable. It shows us that communication is not just about talking. It's also about listening, responding, and building trust.
If I were the teacher, I would also apply the principle that learning is an active and meaningful process. I would design activities that allow students to explore ideas, share opinions, and connect lessons to real-life situations. As a future math teacher, I want my students to see that learning math is not just about solving problems. It's about understanding how math applies to their daily lives. For me, the most important principle of learning is that learning is stronger and more permanent in a positive emotional climate. When students feel happy, appreciated, and safe in class, they become more willing to learn. I believe that part of being a good teacher is creating an environment where students are not afraid to make mistakes because they know that their teacher supports them. From this observation, we realize that teaching is both a science and an art. It requires knowledge, patience, creativity, and heart. Ma'am Marites showed us that a great teacher is not just someone who explains lesson well, but someone who inspires students to learn. As future educators, we learn that effective teaching begins when we truly understand our students and adapt our strategies to help them grow.
Now, to end our vlog, here are our final thoughts and realization as a future educators.
This observation reminded us that teaching is more than just delivering lessons. It's about connecting with learners and inspiring them to grow.
We truly admire how Ma'am Marites Ganitano showed passion, patience, and professionalism inside the classroom.
As future teachers, we are motivated to continue improving our skills both personally and professionally to become effective educators someday.